The Bushwacker Trail Armor Fender Delete Kit is a sleek solution for adding more tire clearance to your new Bronco. When you just gotta have oversized tires, tire clearance and tire rub is an issue with stock fenders. Removing them is the solution, and the Bushwacker Trail Armor Fender Delete Kit is a great option, allowing you to run a much larger tire. Not only are these Trail Armor Fender Delete Kits a great solution for larger tires, but they are impressive on and off the trail. They offer you protection where you need it, but look extremely stylish. Their clean finished look covers all the OEM fender openings, giving a very sleek, contoured body option. The Trail Armor Fender Delete Kit is molded from lightweight and durable thermoplastic polypropylene with a black textured finish. This material is known for its high impact resistance and backed by a lifetime limited warranty against warping, cracking, or other factory defects. The kit comes in a complete set of 4 covers, and installation is straightforward and bolts on directly once you remove the OEM fenders. If you're interested in purchasing the Trail Armor Fender Delete Kit from Bushwacker or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.